If you want to make a text appear behind you this way using Capcut for free, totally free, this is the right video for you. Welcome back to my channel at grow_with_big_Jojo. On today's episode, I'll be taking you and teaching you how to make a text appear behind you using Capcut for free. A lot of people have the challenges of saying Capcut, I can't do a lot of things with Capcut because I haven't subscribed and all that. But believe me, with this video, you can do a lot of things with Capcut for free. So with this, I'll be teaching you how to do how to make a text appear behind you using Capcut for free, totally free. Before I proceed, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so whenever I post, you will be the first to get notified. So let's dive in. For the sake of this video, I would have to move my camera to one side so I can share my screen on the side of the video. So the first thing you do is to open up your Capcut app. Open the Capcut app. If you don't have the Capcut app on your phone, you can go to your Apple Store or your Play Store. That is for iPhone and Android. Also, it works on computer system. Go to your App Store, download Capcut. And after downloading Capcut, you open the Capcut app. And as soon as you open the Capcut app, you click on New Project. New Project. Then when you click on New Project, then you select the project you want a text to appear behind. That is the project you're working on that you want the text to appear behind. Then you select the text and you select the project. So as for me, I'll be using this project. So I click on this project and I click on Add. After clicking on Add, the project will be added to my Capcut where I can edit the edit platform of my Capcut app. So the next thing I'll do is I go to text. You see it down there, text. After clicking text, the next thing I'll do again is to click on add text. So here, whatever you want to write, whatever text you want it to do, whatever you want to show at the background of your project, that's where you type in here. But as for me, let me type in something for the sake of this tutorial. Let me type in behind me. Behind me. Again, behind MP. Behind me. As for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just typing in this just to show you. Then also I select the style, whatever style I want, the color. Let me just use this for this video, for the sake of this video. Then again, moving on, I click on OK. Then something you must do here, you can see the text written in red here. So you have to drag the text all through the project. So it would cover the whole project. So it will show, or if it's some part of the project you are working on, you want this text to appear behind, not all through the project. You can drag it to the side you want to wherever you want the text to show, to wherever you want it to end. So just drag it there. Then after that, what you do, you export it. You export the new project, that is the blue icon at the top right corner. Export it. So after you've exported it, you go ahead and click on New Project again. Then when you click on the new project, as if you want to start a new project, you click on a new project and you see the text you just exported, in which it wrote behind me. There, you would import it back. You select it, then you click on add. Then after adding, then the next thing you have to do is you go to overlay. You see it overlay down there. click on overlay, and after clicking overlay, you add overlay. Then after adding overlay, the next thing you do, you go to the first project that you imported the first time before you even wrote any text on it. Then you go to the plain one, then you go and select that project. Then I'm selecting this project as mine. Then I add, and after adding, you see I have to zoom it out to fit the whole screen of my project here. Then after fitting it in, what I need to do now is to go and remove background. Go and remove background of this project. You can see the new overlay, which is this, not the top one, not this one that the text is on, but the other one you added, which is the overlay. You go and you click on background. You will go and click on remove BG. You see to remove BG. Then when you click on remove BG, if you have subscribed your Capcut, you can just go to auto removal, it will remove it by yourself. But for those that, as you can remember, I said it's for free. So for those that haven't subscribed, you go to custom removal. After you click on custom removal, then remember, click on brush. You see brush down there. You click on brush. After clicking on brush, then you can remove start removing your picture, the background, the main video. You start shading it out. Then you can use your both fingers to zoom in, zoom out, pinch in or pinch out. So you can pinch it out so you can trace it properly, and make sure you don't trace it roughly so the video will not be rough also. So make sure you trace it little by little by little. You trace it out, trace it all out. Now you can see I've succeeded in tracing out all my image out of this video. So the next thing I'll do is to click on this mark here, and then I'm done with it. Then you can see already that the text is already behind my image. So what you just do is to go back and you can play it from the beginning. So that's all. That's how to make a text appear behind you. So make sure, and after that, yes, you can just export your project. You export your project, and once you've exported your project, you can do whatever you want to do. So, but make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, so whenever I post, you'll be able to see my new videos. So stay tuned, and I will continue to be with you from now. Have a nice day.